so it can go very far and very fast. I haven't actually
Ubers, fuck public transport, fuck it all. I got one of these Segway bots, it all.
Oh my god, okay. He's very passionate about his new scooter.
We just got a new scooter. That's the scooter. That right there. It's the Segway.
No, it's the Ninebot by Segway.
It's the Ninebot by Segway. I think it's the ES1. Filming on the DJI Osmo Pocket in here. Ah! Nearly dropped my phone. That's not good.
The turn is it.
Neither have I.
I'm working on it.
I usually slow down and just manually do it.
Yeah.
Let's take it outside.
Okay.
You wanna go in the back?
Sure.
But we just came back from a trip in DC where I was shooting some video for a real estate buddy of mine. And just out of curiosity, before heading up there, I checked out Craigslist to see what electric scooters are available. You know, I thought it would just be like a bunch of cheap, generic Chinese ones. Nope. They had the Segway, which I'd argue is probably one of the best value ones, and I'll do a full review on it later. But being that we are here in super low light, let's see if I can improve this. I have to obviously get a 3200 ISO, but nope. Can't shoot with this in low light like this. Beep beep! Even in the grass, she's in the grass. But this, we've had it for like 2 days. It's been in the back of our car. We haven't had a chance to use it, being that it was raining the entire weekend.
I'm glad it has a headlight. Wow! Now you can't even see him. But this is going to be pretty awesome for anyone that plans to move to a larger city, like in our case New York, anywhere where really having a car is more of an inconvenience than an asset. This is a pretty amazing investment. We bought it with an extra battery pack, so it can go very far and very fast. I haven't actually
Ubers, fuck public transport, fuck it all. I got one of these Segway bots, it all.
Oh my god, okay. He's very passionate about his new scooter. I've been too scared to test the limits of its speed, actually, considering this is the first night that we've really been playing with it, and turning is still a little bit of a...
But not the tightest turning radius, huh?
No, I found that it's better if you like lean back a little bit when you're turning.
See, now we can't like really see it out here, right? You can't
yeah.
See it. You want us to go back in?
Sure. Sure, let's check my mail. But I was just telling them that I hadn't really tested the limits of its power.
Go on the straight line and hold it down. Watch out for pebbles and rocks. Too bad. Whoa! The phone keeps dropping. I can't really show this off too well.
It looks like it maxed out at 60.
Yeah, so now that we're in better light here, the Ninebot by Segway, the ES1, and we got the extra battery pack on there. And believe it or not, I actually picked this up used for $250. Whereas if you were to buy it new with the extra battery, it'd be closer to probably like $500 or $600. I'll put the kickstand down. Yeah.
And the other thing about this is that it folds down, which is really awesome. You can just turn it off for a minute. Let's see. Gotta figure out.
You have to push the bars forward when you do
Push
it.
the bars forward. Okay, there we go. So it comes down, and it's actually supposed to lock into the brake here.
That's one of the downsides to this one. The previous owner broke it.
It did snap off, but
We're thinking we can either buy a generic replacement part for it or use like a bungee cord, and that should probably suffice. But super excited playing with these 2 new toys here.
Yeah. We got 1 new toy to film our 7 new toys. I may never walk again. Like, I may just Segway.
Be like, hey, what's up?
Our door.
I mean, it'd be cool if this was maybe a different color aside from gray. It looks a little black, maybe black or red.
Now you're just nitpicking.
Now I'm definitely nitpicking. Tires aren't rubber, so pros and cons of that being.
And also, another thing is the like engine and all the parts are like in here, so you have to like really be careful. Like today and yesterday it was raining a ton. We actually like hit a record for the amount of rainfall of the year. So if we were to go through a really deep puddle, we run the risk of really like just destroying the whole thing and rendering it pretty useless.
Waterproof, but everything's only waterproof to an extent, you know?
Yeah.
Back brake is manual like you would on a regular push scooter, and then you have your front brake. Like a motorcycle or any other vehicle, you use just your front brake. That's obviously, you don't want to just do that because you'll lurch forward, so you'd want to, in a quick stop, use a combination of the 2. You gotta push it for like the first couple miles per hour and then...
Till 3. Our apartment complex used to be a mattress factory, so it's kind of industrial. There's not a lot of windows. There's not a lot of space.
That's just regen braking.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I noticed that
so that's like really cool.
It brakes, or it slows down really quickly once you like let off. So that's also something I'm using to help me turn. We're also kind of testing the limits of this Osmo Pocket thing.
But I think the other thing that's cool about this, you can actually use it as a regular scooter, so you can actually push it. So say...
Well, duh.
Well, no, because some of them, I think for whatever reason, the way the system works is...
Like it'll lock if you're not using it? Or
lock, but you'll get a lot of resistance where it feels like it's more effort than a regular scooter.
Right. I mean, and we're definitely like, even though it's kind of the lazy man scooter, we're definitely getting our exercise.
That, and I think it's going to encourage us to, like, so we live obviously a couple, like 2 miles away from RVA, or like downtown Richmond, but we hardly go down there because like, even though it's so close, you got 1, traffic, and 2, parking. So like
it's ridiculous, yeah.
It takes like at least 30 or 40 minutes just to actually get down there, when in reality, if you get on one of these, you'll be there in like 10 minutes tops.
And you don't have to park because it...
You don't have to park. You can either bring it in wherever you're going, or you could
lock it.
Yeah, with like a U-lock outside or something like that, or a chain.
Yeah. But the lock follow mechanism on the Osmos not locking on, and I don't know if it's because it's more low light right now, or... But yeah, we're just learning the ins and outs of both our toys.
And I think hopefully with our upcoming trip to New York, the weather won't be too bad, and we'll have a lot of chances to use it. Granted, we've only got 1 of these right now, but I have my regular old scooter that we can trade off on. If I trade off, I mean, I'm going to be using this 90% of the time. And when I'm feeling generous, I'll let her ride it.
He says that, but I guarantee you it's not gonna work out that way. But yeah, so next step is getting a second one for
her.
You.
Her. I got a pro model over here. She can get anything. I love this thing.
It is really amazing. So that is the mini review of the Ninebot by Segway.
Not an unboxing, but definitely like the first impressions of it.
Definitely. Just, it's pretty cool.
So it doesn't look like it's coming up too well here, but made my way to the city. Or actually not the city, but really close to it in a relatively short amount of time. Just using this little scooter here. I'm loving it. It's making me a lot more interested and able to like just go out and explore the city, things that I haven't done in the year that I've lived here, just because I got the scooter. The convenience factor of being able to just hop on and off. It's similar to when I had a motorcycle and actually not just a motorcycle, the real scooter I had, or the moped, if you will, the PCX 150, the Honda PCX 150. The thing with that is even compared to the motorcycle, it's just so easy to hop on and off. this is a whole nother thing. You know, you don't need to gear up. You just literally get on, park it anywhere. You can ride anywhere, ride on sidewalks, you can ride on street, you can ride on gravel, what have you.